Welcome to our exciting Mandarin lesson. Ever wondered how to talk about your hobbies in Mandarin Chinese? Do you find yourself pondering, how do I say I love swimming, or what's the term for playing the basketball? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring the world of leisure activities, from swimming to playing basketball. Join me as we discover the Mandarin expressions for your favorite pastimes. Now let's explore the basic words for hobbies.
爱好，看书、画画、摄影、跳舞、下棋、唱歌、听音乐、弹钢琴、弹吉他、拉小提琴、跑步、游泳、做瑜伽、健身、打篮球、打网球、打排球、打羽毛球、打乒乓球、打台球、打橄榄球、打棍网球、踢足球。
Now, let's dive into the sentence structure to ask about and express hobbies. You can ask,
你有什么爱好？
to inquire about someone's interests. The response could be as simple,
我喜欢，
to express likes. Here, you can insert your hobby after,
我喜欢，
to share what you enjoy. Alternatively, you can add flair with,
我对，很感兴趣，
to convey a strong interest. In this pattern, you can insert your hobby between
我对，
and,
很感兴趣，
to express a specific and keen interest. For example, if you want to express a strong liking for swimming, you can say,
我喜欢游泳，
to straightforwardly convey I like swimming. Alternatively, you can add emphasis and say,
我对游泳很感兴趣，
to express I am very interested in swimming. This way, you can adapt these sentence patterns to share your hobbies with varying levels of intensity. Now, let's put your newfound skills to the test with a fun and practical challenge. I'll present a short conversation, listen carefully and see if you can follow along. Ready for the challenge? Let's dive into our interactive conversation.
你有什么爱好？
我喜欢做瑜伽，你呢？
我对跑步很感兴趣。
Great job! I'd love to hear about your hobbies, so drop them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Mandarin lessons. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next video.